guys, it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a what's on my iPhone XS Max. And today I'll be showing you guys what's on my iPhone X Max, which is just the plus version of the iPhone XS, of course. And I've had this for about 3 weeks now. 3 weeks I've had this iPhone. I used to have the iPhone 6, not 6S. Sadly, and I had it for 3 years and it never broke. Me and the iPhone 6, we had some good times together for those 3 years, but boo, I had to upgrade, and that's exactly what I did. Upgrade with this phone. If you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, home skillet biscuit? My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this. Bam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's get started with this video. So that's my lock screen, real cute, got it off of Pinterest. Don't know who made it, but I just got it off of Pinterest. Today is Tuesday, the 29th. And that's where my calendar is. And then I also have my utilities, which I really only use the Weather Yahoo, which I don't like the Apple weather for some odd reason. It doesn't tell me the right temperature, and I don't like that. But Yahoo does, even though I don't really use their browser that often. But still. Anyways, I use my calculator, Geico Mobile for my car insurance. And I use the wallet, and then I use Eventbrite. Besides that, I don't use anything else in here. All this is hoopla, and I just put it in there. So, my maps, you know, locations and stuff like that. Then I have notes, which, you know, write some notes down, you know, write some Instagram captions down, all that goodness. And then the App Store, which, you know, you buy your apps from. And then I have a clock, which I use for my phone when I want to wake up. It has alarms, timer, stuff like that. Like current, this is my current one. The 8 a.m. one is the one that wakes me up. Might as well keep it on. And then I also have this home app. Don't know what it is. Haven't touched it. Don't know. Then I have a YouTube folder, which has the YouTube studio for me to look at my videos, how they're doing, and all that other stuff. And I'm not going to click that because it just gives you all the information on my YouTube. Then I also have just the YouTube app, which is right here. And as you can see, you know, I watch a lot of videos on my phone, and yeah, this is what's on my phone right now in my YouTube subscription box. You know, just watching a bunch of these people. Ooh, James Charles. Oh, I didn't even finish this. I have to finish this video. But yeah, I got some stuff in here. I love YouTube. Live for it, love it, everything. But anyways, I have the YouTube app, and I use this probably the most on my phone. Between my YouTube app and my Instagram, these are the two apps I use the most. Outside of my YouTube folder, there's health. Don't use that. There's news. Don't use that often. This is my mail that has 56,495 emails, you know. Probably should open it and like clear it up. My phone, you know, to call people, that's also down there. My messages, I should probably look at some messages because I got like 8. And then my Safari, you know, I use Safari to check up things on the internet. That's my internet. I don't use Google Chrome on my phone, but I do use it on my desktop. I don't know why I don't use it on my phone. I think I just used Safari because it was there first. So now we're on my second page, which is also my last page, and we're going to look at my social, which has all my social media. And one app that I use a lot, which I told you guys before, is my Instagram, which you guys should totally follow me. Look at my Instagram and how just stuff is flowing right now. You should totally follow me on Instagram if you want daily content from me. Also, sorry. Oh, they look so cute. Guys should check. If you guys also want some other daily content from me, definitely check out my Snapchat, which is right here. You guys, if you guys want to scan it to, you know, follow your girl on Snapchat, you totally can. So then I also have Twitter, which I use daily, but I don't tweet as much. But yeah, got myself a Twitter. So use Twitter, and then I also have Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I'm on it all the time, you guys. Definitely should follow me on my Pinterest, which is I Am Simply Morgan. I pin a lot of really cute stuff and like some awesome hats and clothes and all this other stuff. Like my Pinterest, honestly, well, I feel like it's fire. Like there's some cute stuff on my Pinterest, which you guys should totally check out. I also have Facebook, which you guys can follow me on I Am Simply Morgan Facebook. I also have Netflix, which I love me some Netflix. See, that's about all I'm showing you. But I watch a lot of movies, but mainly I watch a lot of my Netflix movies at my boyfriend's house. I haven't been watching a lot of Netflix like by myself. The only time I've watched it by myself is watching Sex Education. Yeah, no comment there. Anyways, and then I have We Hearted, which is just like Pinterest. And then I have Prime Video because I have Amazon Prime. There's some old apps that I haven't really used on here. Old apps I still haven't used. They're like organized to where I just haven't used the rest of these. So the only ones that I use are on the first page of my social. The rest of them I don't really use, to be honest. Haven't used them in a brick, like a real brick. Who says brick anymore? And then my next one is what I use to edit my photos. So not gonna go into detail on that. I'll do another video if you guys want me to do that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do a how I edit my Instagram photos, or you know, what are the best editing apps for Instagram. Just let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see with like editing photos and stuff, because I do it all on my phone. Yeah. So on my photos, I have Afterlight, which is really good. Love it, been using it for years. Visco Cam, Makeup Plus, Camera, Facetune, Snow, Lightroom CC. I have not used that app, the last one. Haven't used it. Oh, Kira Plus. I hope I said that right. That's the one that makes everything sparkly. Watch. See? Look at that. Look at the sparkle. The sparkle. It's so cool. I think it costs like $1.99 to get that app. Adobe Draw. That's how I made a cartoon of myself, which was really cool. VH Cam, haven't used that. Eraser. Pic Collage. That's just for collages, and that's also what I use Pic Stitch for. And then Boomerang, the Boomerang app. And besides that, I don't really use any of these other ones. I've just, oh, except for Unfold. I use that for my Instagram story sometimes. I use Unfold. And I use something like that. I use that to like put my photos that I haven't uploaded on Instagram with the pictures that I posted on Instagram to see how it looks. So I'm just trying to figure out like my theme and aesthetic and something like that. That's a really good app. That's a good app. But anyways, and besides that, haven't used any of the other ones in a minute. Then I have music, which I have Apple Music, podcasts. I've actually been listening to a couple podcasts lately, like Gals on the Go and Pretty Basic. Just a couple of different ones, but mainly those two have been the ones I've been listening to lately. If you guys have any podcast recommendations, you know, put that in the comments down below so I can like check out those podcasts, because I'm looking for some new podcasts. Not that I don't like the ones that I already listened to, because I love those ones. Then I have Spotify, which I have not used in about 3 years. It just sits on my phone. Pandora's, haven't used that in 3 years. That sits on my phone. TV has old videos or movies, stuff like that. I don't really have any movies in there, I don't think. iTunes Store has all the music that you could buy. That doesn't come with Apple Music. And then I have my little video games, which I have a little joystick for. And I have Episode, Love It, Choices, haven't played Flappy Bird, Game of Life, which I love that. I actually just played the board game version with my family last night. Or any of these, to be honest. The only thing that I usually play in my games is Episode and Choices, which I actually played Episode yesterday. So I love Episode. Episode is awesome. And if you guys wanted me to play Episode on my YouTube, like, let me know, because I'm so down for it. I love Episode so much. Like, it's a problem. Then I have travel, which has like Live, global Wi-Fi. I travel out of the country, so you know your girl needs to find some Wi-Fi. U.S. Airways, fly them a lot. Rome, was in Rome before. Euros to dollars, you know, gotta have that money, figuring out what money is what. Hopstop, I don't think that works anymore. Hopstop or Embark, NYC, or I don't know if Subway works either. But before Google did the subway systems on the Google Maps, I didn't know how where the train started or stopped, so these were the apps. Now I don't think they have these apps really working anymore. And then Uber, Zipcar was everything to me in college because I used it all the time to get groceries. SeatGeek, I don't know what Game Time is. Monsters to find a job. Ryanair is, you know, an airline in Europe. Lime is the scooters they have out here. I think they have scooters all around the country, but scooters that just sit around and then you could just ride them wherever when you need them. I did that, which was so much fun. And then Wow Air, which is another airline. And then shopping, I have a bunch of stuff that I don't use, except I used Uber Eats. I haven't used it in a minute, but I used Uber Eats and Ulta Beauty, and then Dote, because I just bought some clothes off of Dote. Postmates, Poshmark, the McDonald's app. Get yourself the McDonald's app because they've got coupons on coupons on coupons for you to get deals at McDonald's, and I use it all the time. I don't use any of these. This is just random apps. I don't even use any of these apps, like, at all. I haven't even touched these apps. I don't even know when, what. So it's just apps. Apps is pretty much random apps that I just don't use. Then fitness, to be honest, oh, I don't know why I had like, when I used to have a period, I'm on the Depot shot, so I haven't had a period in about a year, but when I had a period, I used to always track my period with Eve and Clue, which were two really good period trackers. I don't know if they're that good now, but they were good when I was using them. And then I used to use Pump Up a lot for working out, which is like an Instagram for fitness. And outside of that, don't use anything else. I think Headspace is for meditation. I think I used that a few times for meditation. But besides that, I haven't really used my fitness apps. And an old app that was mine called Simply Morgan, that I think it shut down maybe about a year ago, but I had it up for like 3 years. And then photo and video, which just has files, hype type, which I don't even know why that's in there, and then FaceTime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this Bam Bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll peace out. Skillets. I'll bless skillets.